Hello everyone, I'm just going to show you how to change the starter motor in the Vauxhall Corsa 1.3 cdti. You have to remove the battery holder with the 13 screw, 13 mil, and have to remove the top on the gearbox here, because when the screw inside to the gearbox for the starter, you can see very easy. This is the 6 mil Allen key with a little extension and little ratchet, and that's the have to get the same one. And this is the cup for gearbox. Have to remove this one, and we go two cable with one 13 mil and with the 10 mil in the bottom, and same 6 mil Allen key in the bottom. This is everyone you have to do. Thank you very much. This is the 2007 model. Thank you.